सो हेलो पीपल। सो आज है सैटरडे। ये लास्ट वीक आई डिड नॉट रिकॉर्ड वीडियो एंड आफ्टर दैट लाइक in last 6 days or 5 days I have not recorded any video, so this is feeling kind of new for me. मतलब it's my habit has gone, and it was not like that I missed it or I was inconsistent. And I am inconsistent, but I did not want to record. I don't know why. So, how was my week and the last week? So, as I have told that I am taking rest, and by taking rest, I mean I was going out somewhere out of station, basically hiking in monsoon. So, I was so tired and fully drained. So the week started from Monday because I went back to I came back to home on Sunday, so I slept that day till 2 p.m. So the week started from Monday, and Monday को क्या हुआ तो I did not study. Yep, I studied one lecture on Monday. Backlogs तो पूरे भर गए. Like I have total 45 lectures backlog, and just to flex, I have completed 25 out of them. 20 or 15 are remaining. Today is Saturday. I will complete it till Thursday. So this approach is not good. I will say that live को join करो from new course. Don't go from backwards like I am doing. But I am doing क्योंकि मेरा कम था 45 backlogs as not much lectures are not much, और DPP अभी तक नहीं बनाया, so that's questionable कि कब बनाएंगे. But I will say that a new chapter starts, you should join live. Backlog के पीछे मत पड़ो. You can do in night extra time निकाल के, but हम नहीं करते हैं जो बोलते हैं. So that's the thing. I am just a preacher, not an actor. नहीं मतलब not an implementer. So on Monday I woke up around 11 and did one lecture and then slept again. And Tuesday the same routine happened. Tuesday and Wednesday I slept whole day. Like I used to get up at 11 a.m. and do one lecture and sleep. लाइक फिर 3 से 5 सोए, फिर उठे, फिर एक लेक्चर, फिर सोए. तो 3 दिन में लाइक फ्रॉम मंडे टू वेंसडे आई डिड 7 लेक्चर्स बैकलॉग, 7 लेक्चर्स. एंड फिर उसके बाद आई केम इन टू पीक. लाइक मेरे को ये हो गया कि करना ही है अब. लाइक बहुत बच रहा है, कैसे करेंगे, कब होगा, लाइक फुल टेंस्ड. सो ऑन थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, इन 3 days I did around 18 lectures, like 6 lectures per day, physics, chemistry, bio, and I did great. I'm happy for myself. And study hours, if you count, it's not much, 8 hours a day. And I did lectures like 1.5x to 2x. I watched physics 1.25 to 1.75, and बाकी तो 2x या 1.75x. तो आई एम हैप्पी विथ माई सेल्फ दिस वीक. पहला 3 दिन तो कोई भी देखेगा तो लगेगा कि आई वॉज सो डिप्रेस, जस्ट स्लीपिंग. लाइक माई मदर वॉज वरीड कि क्या हो गया इसको, सिर्फ सोता है, फालतू में ट्रिप पे गया, समथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड द ट्रिप वॉज फन. आई थॉट टू मेक अ व्लॉग ऑफ इट, बट देन आई थॉट उसमें बहुत टाइम जाएगा. उतना टाइम आई कुड इन्वेस्ट इन स्टडीज़. बट द पहला 3 दिन I should have invested in studies, and till now my whole lecture backlog would have been completed, but I slept, overslept, roaming, sleeping. हर जगह सो जाते थे टेबल पे, समथिंग लाइक दैट यू विल फील. आई डोंट नो, इट वाज आउट ऑफ टायर्डनेस और आउट ऑफ प्रेशर कि इतना बैकलॉग कैसे होगा. जो भी हो, इट वाज गुड क्योंकि बाकी का 3 दिन अच्छा गया. तो एंड ऑल्सो आई डिलीटेड इंस्टाग्राम ऑन वेंसडे नाइट because I talked to some of my friends and I got something called FOMO कि सब कॉलेज जा रहे हैं and I am back. So I deleted that thinking that it will improve my productivity, and it kind of did, but I will not say. And the also reason is that one of my friend scolded me on call कि डिलीट करो, समथिंग लाइक दैट कि डोंट डिस्टर्ब मी. हाँ वही, हाँ तुम ही को. सो दैट्स द थिंग एंड आई डोंट नो इफ यू आर वॉचिंग और नॉट. सो I deleted that and I was kind of thinking to download today. मतलब I was missing Instagram today. Not Instagram but habit जो बन जाता है ना, तो it's like little difficult. Like last week I tried dopamine detox everything, but once a habit, like मेरे को habit है from 7th or 8th not scrolling but DMs and all. तो हैबिट एक बार जो बन जाता है तो इट्स वेरी टफ टू रिमूव फ्रॉम लाइफ. एंड 3-4 दिन हो गया, 3 दिन बेसिकली, तो कल 4 हो जाएंगे क्योंकि आई विल अपलोड ऑन संडे. सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ थिंकिंग लाइक दिस बट इट्स ओके. I will deal with it and I am thinking that till me I will not download. You all know that I am so inconsistent about my works and actions, but let's see, I will try. And also last week something special was there, इसलिए I did not record because something should not be recorded. So that's all for this week and hope the next week also goes like this, not with backlogs but with productivity. And I have calculated that like on Thursday my सारे backlogs will be completed except DPPs and NCERT notes तो हो गया but reading notes and revising, so that's questionable. सब करने हैं. It thinking about is like too much pressure, so I'm not thinking about it. I am just letting it go and just going with the flow. So I am recording this on Saturday night. It's late, सब कुछ शांत है इसलिए हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. नहीं तो आई थॉट दैट आई शुड रिकॉर्ड ऑन मॉर्निंग टुमारो ऑन संडे, बट कल एडिट भी करना है जो हम नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि आई डोंट हैव टाइम. सॉरी फॉर दैट. I'll just upload it my yapping and I don't know how I'm telling this much क्योंकि आदत नहीं है, बहुत दिन हो गया, but still I am telling. So that's all and accent भी बदल रहा है. So that's all for today. अभी रात के बज रहे हैं 11:30 या 12 या हाँ, I literally destroyed my sleeping schedule but पढ़ने के लिए तो उतना चलता है. So that's all for today, for this week, and that's all. Me Shaurya signing off. Bye bye and good night. Video जानबूझ के लंबा हो गया, I know. It would have been 5 minutes but जानबूझ के, but it's okay. Bye bye.